So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to list a property for rent here on apartments.com. So once you go on apartments.com here on the main screen, I want you to go to the top right to where it says add a property. It's this gray button. Go ahead and press on that. It'll then redirect you to this page where you can go ahead and add some details to your property. So if you, for example, have a condo or an apartment, you can go ahead and press on apartment right here. You can then type in the address. So if you wanted to type in 123 apartment drive or whatever the case may be, you can type in your address as an example. But you can go ahead and do that there. Then right below as well, you can type in the total number of units in the building. So if you're, perhaps a property management company or maybe an owner of the building, you can do multiple. If it's just an individual unit, you can type in just one. Then once it says right here you added your details, you can say add a property, and then you can proceed with the listing that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to list a property for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.